Next up today in the Steel City Break Room, 3 boxes of 2015 Bowman Inception going out to George. Thanks again. Appreciate doing another break with us. Best of luck to you. Alright, here comes 3 factory sealed boxes. Let's see what we got in here. Lots of hot rookies coming out this year. A fantastic product. All right, let's start off with a autograph relic of Luis Severino, 29 of 99. Follow that up with Brett Phillips, Edwin Escobar, Christian Binford, and Francelis Montas. All right, next box we have autograph relic Micah Johnson. Micah Johnson. Next up, a CJ Edwards autograph. And we have Brett Phillips, Edwin Escobar, and another Christian Binford. All right. Box number 3. First up is going to feature a redemption card, Joey Gallo. Autograph relic. Next up, Alex Blandino, Matt Olson, Miguel Almonte, and Eric Yagillo. All right, there you go, George. 3 boxes of 2015 Bowman Inception. Get this shipped out for you today, and thanks for breaking.